Welcome Veg Champions. Today we're going to be cooking with
cheese. So now we need to choose which kind of pasta we want. We could really have any. You could choose fusilli or penne or spaghetti, but any pasta will do. Lemon.
or maybe some pre-made pasta sauce. Maybe you want to make your own pasta sauce. Maybe you want to use this, which is fantastic. This is passata. Passata is sieved so the tomatoes are really smooth. And you might want to add cheese. Look, we've got some blue cheese here. We've got some grated cheese here. What I was going to suggest was some lemon and some tuna, and maybe with a bit of garlic. But actually, it's Seth's choice today. So Seth, what do you decide we're going to make with it?
Well, maybe with the passata, lemon, and maybe some garlic.
The pasta's already cooked, and while the pasta's cooked, we're going to put the peas on while we prepare everything else, because it only takes about 4 minutes for the peas. Nice and easy. Just peas will go into some boiling water and we'll boil them for 4 minutes. We're going to drain the pasta, and then we're going to put the pasta back into the saucepan. The pasta's hot and we're doing very little cooking actually, so what we're going to do is just put some of the passata into a pan and just warm it through while the peas are cooking. We're not going to cook the garlic, we're going to actually have the garlic raw. You could cook your garlic. I like a bit of herbs in mine, so I'm just going to put in a nice pinch of oregano. There we go. And then we're just going to warm this through, and that should again just take 3 or 4 minutes. A little tip of what we used to do when we had young children, and Seth is grown up enough now to actually have a proper long spaghetti, is get a pair of scissors and just cut 2 or 3 or 4 times across, and then you've got short spaghetti, and it's a bit easier for little mouths to eat. Drain the peas.
Now we just add the peas into the pasta.
Now we're going to add our tomato sauce. The traditional way, a spoon and a fork. If it's something that somebody doesn't like lemon, what you could do is, and what we're going to do is, squeeze this on when we put it into our plates. Actually, we both love lemon, but we're going to do that anyway. We could serve this in plates, in little bowls, but we're going to have, we've got these big bowls here that we use. And again, using the spoon and the fork. All that's left now is to do the taste test. Right then, time for the taste test. Oh, we're going to put lemon on, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Just a squeeze.
Just a squeeze of anything.
Well, more than a squeeze for you.
Mine just
your lemon demon.
Mine just exploded.
As well as the garlic.
I've been pressing about so much that it just squirted out at once.
Right, let's try this. Let me go right with that. If you use your spoon to direct it like that,
Okay.
and then turn it around like that. And what was missing from my last piece was some peas. So let's try that with some peas on it. That is really nice with peas. You know what? I reckon if I put twice as many peas in there, I'd be just as happy. What about you? Yeah.